Yadi, can you name one or two programs that you've used in your ministry with LGBTQ youth in particular? What has been especially effective with that population?
Well, in connecting your LGBT youth and your straight youth into one body, which is the church, really, was one of my goals, and it's one of my goals whenever I do youth ministry, right? And so one of the things that it's easy in terms of getting the resources to do this is the Day of Silence that Glesson offers. And the Day of Silence, because it was created by students and it's led by students across the nation, that as a congregation or as a church or as youth workers, you join this movement sort of as allies, okay? And so we're already telling them, we are here for you, we support you, and on this day, we're gonna gather and we're going to be silent, because then we're gonna break the silence that bullying is wrong, that harassment is wrong, that harassing students in school is wrong, that students have the right to go to school and learn and be educated just like everybody else. And so nobody should go through this. And as a church and as a congregation, we want to make sure that we're supporting everyone out there. And I've had students who said, but we don't have any gay kids here. And it's like, yes, but if we're going to be the hands and feet of Jesus, and if we're going to be the message of hope, then we need to join on the wagon of getting in there and supporting. And the thing about being an ally is you don't have to speak, you just have to provide the space. And so that in itself is a really important lesson to teach them. As allies, we're not taking the microphone, it's not us, but we're going to create a stage. And so from those programs, or from those things of getting together and getting ready for Day of Silence, the conversations happen in your youth group. And then from actually being on that day and being silent and giving, talking to your teachers about it, it brings the awareness. So I might not be gay, but that awareness that I'm standing up for the kid in the back who probably doesn't have the self-esteem to do it, is teaching the ability to say, I'm an ally, and just like Jesus, I'm going to speak up for the marginalized. I'm going to speak up for those who can't speak. I'm going to stand up for those who can't stand. And the more students that stand up and say, no, teacher, it's not right to harass people, it's not right to make fun of people, teacher, from up there. And the more students that come together, the more this is going to be a thing of the past, which is bullying, really. And so Day of Silence, the next one is April 23rd, 2021. And the Glesson website, says glesson.org, Day of Silence, has all kinds of resources you could easily download and print out. And then and everybody's wearing masks now, so we can easily do something with masks, right? So that's one of them that has really helped LGBTQ youth and our youth to be doers, to be messengers of hope. So that's one of many.